English antonyms. Question number 1. Find most opposite word of tenet. Option A respected. Option B disrespected. Option C assumption. Option D doubt. The correct answer is option D doubt. Question number 2. Find opposite meaning of baroque. Option A florid. Option B abandon. Option C empty. Option D plain. The correct answer is option D plain. Question number 3. Find antonym of fiasco. Option A blunder. Option B debacle. Option C limp. Option D achievement. The correct answer is option D achievement. Question number 4. Find the word just opposite of arbitrary. Option A appropriate. Option B consistent. Option C superficial. Option D snicker. The correct answer is option B consistent. Question number 5. Find antonym of amendment. Option A correction. Option B polarized. Option C improvement. Option D worsening. The correct answer is option D worsening. Question number 6. Find opposite meaning of orient. Option A disorder. Option B fact. Option C confirm. Option D casual. The correct answer is option A disorder. Question number 7. Find the word just opposite of timid. Option A gentle. Option B tired. Option C brave. Option D snicker. The correct answer is option C brave. Question number 8. Find antonym of exodus. Option A departure. Option B typical. Option C stay. Option D normal. The correct answer is option C stay. Question number 9. Find the word that bears the farthest meaning of sinister. Option A good. Option B evil. Option C long. Option D short. The correct answer is option A good. Question number 10. Find the word just opposite of sterile. Option A short. Option B wild. Option C common. Option D fertile. The correct answer is option D fertile. Question number 11. Give the antonym of military. Option A civil. Option B militant. Option C civility. Option D coup. The correct answer is option A civil. Question number 12. Choose the word which is most opposite in meaning to the word embrace. Option A disobey. Option B contradict. Option C reject. Option D obscure. The correct answer is option C reject. Question number 13. Find the most opposite meaning of subversion. Option A destabilization. Option B clarity. Option C compliance. Option D sanity. The correct answer is option C compliance. Question number 14. Find opposite meaning of under rein. Option A under wrap. Option B without target. Option C let loose. Option D no clout. The correct answer is option C let loose. Question number 15. Find most opposite word of coercive. Option A progressive. Option B, promoting. Option C, opinionated. Option D, gentle. The correct answer is option D, gentle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.